It started in the natural resource science program at TRU. I was going through that program, and some friends of mine were firefighters with the BC Wildfire Service, and they really encouraged me in my summer to join and to go fight fire. It led to me meeting Rich.
I actually was the crew leader on an initial attack firefighting team with Robert. We were on our way back from a wildfire deployment in Dease Lake, and we started talking about drones, and it was really exciting at the time.
Just getting really excited about drone technology together, and what it was going to mean on fire landscapes and how that might change the way we think about fires in the future.
There was just this endless list, it felt like, of things that drones could do.
And Lincoln Smith, who at the time was running the TRU generator, we met with him and we were like, hey, Link, we really want to do this.
One of his pieces of advice that was probably the most important piece of advice that we ever got was to focus on one particular product, and that product should probably be wildfire response.
Clarity in that moment was so important. We left that room and we just never second guessed ourselves after that.
Well, I think we were the first company in Canada, maybe in North America, to be actively engaged using drones on wildfire.
We were able to take advantage of these skill sets that we'd obtained firefighting, apply them to this new technology, and really get our foot in the door to be able to, build something that was going to impact firefighters, fire managers, and decision makers kind of across the country now.
On the services side, doing hotspot detection over fires, we still do search and rescue work. We do the training, and we're also selling software to clients all across the US and Canada.
That new understanding of fire that we've helped people realize.
Today, our crews that go out, they can scan 6,000 hectares of fire, where when we started, we needed to be able to scan 400 hectares to compete with helicopters, and now we can do 6,000.
It just drives you at this really deep level to go into the office every day and to give it everything you've got.
I feel like it's kind of a privilege to be able to do something that you love, but if you can make that happen, it is the way to go.
To just stay so focused and really believe in what we were doing that ultimately none of this would have been possible.
I'm really lucky. I do love what I do.
We didn't know anything when we were, in our early 20s and starting this company, but just the impact that those early days and those early relationships and those early experiences that we got at TRU, and the way that those have kind of impacted fire and all the places we've managed to get to has just been really incredible.